Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company, and we're offering a wheel for a 77 to 79 KZ650. It's a Takasago rim, 2.15. The date code is 6H, and it's a 305 rim made in Japan. Now, if you look at it pretty close, it's clean. It needs a lot more cleanup, but this would be a nice rim for someone that's gonna just ride an unrestored bike, or if you got a bad wheel, this is a good wheel. It's all stock stuff so far. It's stock spokes, stock rim, everything. Needs a little cleanup here. We got some grease on it. I'm probably not doing it any favors. So here we go. And it runs out really nice. This is a very nice rim for a nice everyday rider. So we thought you'd like this, and we're going to be putting this on our webpage for $250. So if there's any interest out there, let us know. Okay, thanks.